Welcome to the Elementary School Teacher Study Program. Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Lambung Mangkurat University. We are committed to producing professional teachers who are ready to serve in elementary schools and become leaders in the world of education. Our Elementary School Teacher Study program is designed to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to become quality elementary school teachers. Our curriculum is comprehensive, covering educational theory to teaching practice in the field. Our students have access to adequate facilities, including comfortable classrooms and a complete library. We also offer various student activity units, UKM, to develop talents and interests, such as scouting, sports, and arts. Our lecturers and educational staff are experienced professionals with a high commitment to educating students to become quality teachers. We collaborate with nearby elementary schools to provide real teaching practice experience for our students. Our graduates have worked in various elementary schools in South Kalimantan and surrounding areas, becoming professional teachers with significant contributions to improving the quality of education in their regions.